This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Victoria Eberhardt. Set on 5.23 acres of rolling Tennessee landscape, this custom-built estate offers a rare blend of architectural craftsmanship, natural surroundings, and refined mountain-inspired design. From the moment you arrive, the home's exterior makes a statement with a striking combination of stonework and HardiePlank siding, paired with a thoughtfully designed architectural roofline and covered entries that complement the surrounding terrain. Both the front and rear patios feature tongue and groove wood ceilings, extending the home's craftsmanship outdoors and creating inviting spaces designed for year-round use. Inside, hickory hardwood flooring runs throughout the living areas, anchoring the home with warmth and durability while setting the tone for the exceptional finishes found at every turn. The main living space showcases soaring ceilings accented with wood detailing, expansive windows, and a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace that serves as a dramatic focal point. Walls of glass frame long-range views across the acreage and toward the mountains, creating a dynamic backdrop that evolves with the seasons. The open concept design flows seamlessly into a custom kitchen where both form and function shine. In addition to custom cabinetry, premium appliances, and a generous center island, the kitchen features a distinctive patterned floor design that adds architectural interest and clearly defines the space, an intentional detail that elevates the heart of the home beyond standard finishes. Multiple living and seating areas provide flexibility for entertaining or everyday living, including sun-filled spaces designed to take full advantage of the surrounding views. The home offers 3 bedrooms with custom closet organizers, reflecting the level of planning and storage rarely found in homes of this caliber. An expansive laundry room is paired with a large pantry discreetly tucked out of sight, enhancing functionality while maintaining a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. The primary suite is a true retreat, offering generous proportions, direct access to outdoor living, and a spa-inspired bath complete with custom tile work, dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and bidet-equipped bathrooms, a detail that underscores the home's attention to comfort and modern convenience. Outdoor living is equally impressive, with covered and open spaces overlooking the acreage and offering frequent wildlife sightings. The property also features 2 garages, an attached 2-car garage for everyday convenience and a detached 2-car garage ideal for additional vehicles, storage, or workshop use. From an infrastructure standpoint, the home is exceptionally well equipped with electric, natural gas, public water, fiber optic internet, and a Generac whole home generator, providing reliability and peace of mind without sacrificing the rural estate setting. Thoughtfully designed, meticulously built, and ideally